Hi, I'm Karina, artist and designer behind Feel Flow Space. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're dreaming about custom murals, plaster relief, or sculptural decor for a space, you're in the right place. Here's how we start. Please fill out the form with a few questions about yourself, about your vision. Book a call with me to discuss in detail your design preferences, your budget, your timeline, any style you like. And based on this, I will give you the best options for artisanal finishes and one-of-a-kind work. Ready to make walls telling your story? Fill out the form, book a call, and let's create the space you will love every single day. And don't worry, your information stays private. See you soon.